Hey guys, welcome back to Maddie and Addie, and we're doing a DIY soap. So what you'll need is a container,
some that,
a mixing tool,
this,
and then
water.
Any type of lotion you like. Here, put some water in this. Any type of lotion you like that you want the color to be.
Wait, actually give me the green thing.
The green one? Sorry, I don't know where it is. Go up to that line. Okay, so I'll pour in this. I'll pour in the lotion.
Wait, no, hold on. I'll tell you how much.
And then I'll just pour in water.
That much.
And then you'll stir it around.
And then I tell you when to stop.
And then we'll just keep on pouring.
When? We might need a little bit of lotion.
Okay, ask your parents to do this, or take your own lotion. Gotta stir it up till it's not chunky no more. And it's really chunky right now, so yeah. How about you go with the other ingredient?
Okay.
Get an ice cube. Oh, it didn't go anywhere, I don't think. And yes, we're making soap. Soparia.
You don't need an ice cube.
Stir that in. Just one.
And then
We have tiny ones, that's
this.
perfect. Then bit of
Like
yogurt. One tiny pinch. I'm just stir. And then it should be like yogurt. It should look like yogurt.
Right, Addie? So it's actually gonna be slime. So it smells like it.
Yeah, we'll have to see when
Like
we freeze
slime?
it. We have to see when we
might
freeze
need
it.
a little bit of lotion, but I don't.
Oh, soap. Remember, because of the
Oh,
bubbles.
I pour it in. Stir.
That should be good. That's good, that's good. Okay.
No, you need a lot.
So you'll stir it
And
until
then
it's back to its normal color. And
Can I
then,
stir?
yeah, one second. And then you'll take a toothpick when it's back to the normal color. And you'll dab a little bubble and see if it bubbles up on the stick. That means it's working.
Ooh, that's gonna be soapy. Then you put it in the freezer for 5 minutes.
We need to test it. We need to test it.
Make sure it's good.
Yup, it's bubbly. It's perfect. It's good. So we're just gonna let it wait
See you part 2 for that.
for 5 minutes. So see you in
4.
see you in part 4, right?
No, 2.
See you in part 2. Bye, guys.